I'll just show you quickly how to pair your mobile. So into settings, into Bluetooth, watch out at the bottom, onto the phone here you've got audio, phone, nav. So if I click phone there, it's showing up a phone, but you've got search new, so we'll click search new. Vehicle to device, we'll just watch out for it here. Thinking about it, turn the fan down and the heater as well, a bit warm in here. Barry's iPhone 13 Pro there showing up, so we'll click on that. To pair and connect phone, enter 1876, 1876, pair, allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow, phone paired, so that's it done.